Welcome. This video is part 2 of percent applications. Margot bought a shirt for $75. The tax rate is 8%. How much tax did she pay? What is her total price? Well, let's have more space. So many ways you can solve it. You can do a percent proportion, but I would like us to try to do mental math. Let's think. The shirt costs $75. What is 100% of $75? $75. That's the whole thing. What's 10% of $75? Can I break $75 into 10 parts? That'd be $7.50. What is 1% of $75? That's breaking the 10% down into 10 parts. So what if you had to break $75 or $77.50 into 10 parts? That would be 75 cents. So if the tax rate is 8%, that's and each 1% represents 75 cents. That's 75 times 8, 56 plus 4 is $6 in tax. But are we done? No. That's how much she has to pay in addition to the shirt. So again, the shirt costs $75. She will have to pay an additional $6 in taxes. So in total, she will pay $81. So what you're going to be doing is you're going to be working with your group to answer these questions. This is a ambitious task. Leah and her friends are taking a road trip to visit Leah's cousin. The girls want to purchase snacks and reading materials for the trip because it does get boring. Leah decides to purchase 4 protein bars, which are $1.19 each, and for every magazine she buys at $2.99. If the sales tax rate is 8%, how much does Leah spend on 4 protein bars and 1 magazine? So she buys 4 protein bars, and then she buys a magazine. The magazine costs $2.99. Each protein bar costs $1.19. Well, I guess the first thing we should figure out is the total amount spent. So if you add $1.19, 9, 36, carry the 3. 1 plus 3 is 7. 1. So $4.76 are protein bars, plus $2.99 for the magazine. 15 carry to 1, 10, 17 carry to 1. So she spent $77.75. That's her subtotal. Now she has to pay tax on this. So we need to figure out what is the tax on $7.75. So let's think. Let's do mental math. What is 100% of $7.75? That would be $7.75. What would 10% of this be? Well, if I had to break $7.75 into 10 parts, can 10 go in 7? No. Can 10 go into 77? 7 times. Can 10 go in 75? 7 times. And x is 0. Can 10 go in 50? 50. So put a decimal here. So it's actually 0.775. And what is 1% of $7.75? So 1% would be, that means we have to break this thousands place into 10 groups. It actually would be 0.0775. So if you don't know why, you have 775,000 divided into 10 groups. Can 10 go into 7? 0 times. Can 10 go to 77? 7 times. Can 10 go to 75? 7 times. And x is 0, 5 times. So that's where we get that. Now, the tax rate is 8%. That means I have to if each 1% represents 775 10,000 place times 8, let's figure out the tax rate. 8 times 5 is 40, carry to 4. 8 times 7 is 56, plus 4 is 60, carry to 6. 7 times 8 is 56, plus 6 is 62, carry to 6. 8 times 0 is 0, plus 6 is 6. So move to decimal 4 digits. So the tax is 62 cents. If we add this up, the total amount she will owe is $8.37. So she'll pay $7.75 for 4 protein bars and a magazine, plus 62 cents in taxes. And so she'll owe $8.37. So what you're going to be doing is, so we are going to practice another example. 3 people were making bracelets to sell at the school craft fair. Each person made 50 bracelets. Miss Oliver Flores found that 52% of the bracelet had a sports theme. How many sports themed bracelets were made for the school craft fair? Do you like doing it mental math? Do you like using percent bars? Or would you like percent proportion? I'm going to show you 3 ways of solving it. Shane solved it using mental math. Grace solved it using a percent bar. And Bruce did it with percent proportion. So let's look at, so they all got 78. Which one do you prefer solving it? Look closely which one you, so in here, the 50% of so first of all, there are 3 people. Each person made 50 bracelets, so that's 150 bracelets. 50% of 150 is 75. 1% would be, so that'd be 10% would be 15. So 1% would be 1.5. 2% would be 3. So that's where it's 75 plus 3 is 52% is 78. In this way, they'd use a percent proportion because the total number of, so it's 52% out of 100. And then the whole bracelet, all the bracelets made were 150. So they simplify and they build it up, and that's where they get 78. And here is a thing. Which one do you prefer? So what you're going to be doing is you're going to be doing a open task with your by yourself to see what you know about percent application.